you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, we're doing another KIS dish. Keep it simple. Now, I do have some chicken in here. I got some leg quarters. I got 5 or 6 of them. We're gonna do lazy, keep it simple, smothered chicken, all in one pot. And I'm gonna show you how you do this. Okay? First, get you a large onion, chop it up. Once your onion has been chopped, it has made a total mess. Put it in on top of your chicken. Okay? Boom. Now I've got some more chicken I'm gonna put in here. I'm gonna just layer it like that, but it's okay. It's all good. Trust me on this. In here I got my Uncle Chris seasoning. Garlic, onion, basil, thyme, mustard powder, okay, and some black pepper. I'm gonna put a good generous sprinkle of this right in here. I'm gonna put the rest of my chicken on top that I have cleaned. Add more seasoning. Let me wash my hands. Now we're gonna make a slurry. I have half a cup of flour. To that, I'm going to incorporate 2 cups of water. Very slowly. If I feel there's not enough liquid in here, I will add more. This is just to make the gravy, okay? Y'all are like, you gonna make gravy in an oven, Uncle Chris? Yes, I am. I'm gonna show you how you do it too. Add some spices, again, to your slurry. If you don't know how to make my Uncle Chris spice, look at the video. But basically, you're gonna put your onion powder, equal parts of that, garlic powder, thyme, some parsley, mustard powder, and black pepper. Okay? You can see how much time I got on the camera. Now, take this, pour it right in. Now I want a little more liquid. I got some flour left over in here. I'm putting another cup of water in, and I'm also gonna get the leftover flour out of my bowl. Remember something, nieces and nephews, cooking is experimental. You can always tweak a recipe. Don't think you gotta follow it exact. No, you don't. No, you don't. Make it yours, okay? Now, I'm gonna put this in. That's good, okay? That's good. Now, I'm gonna put me a little more spice in. So, you spice it to according to how much you like. Now, I'm also gonna pour in some juice and noodles from the chicken noodle soup that I used for our other dish. Trust the method. Okay. So, there we go. Now, I'm using my Dutch oven, but you could use tin foil over top of this. You're gonna bake this for at least almost an hour, okay? Just put it in the oven, go watch a TV show, then come back to it and serve them. We're not doing nothing difficult. I'm going to put this in the oven for an hour, and I'm going to see you right back. All right, nieces and nephews, I just got this out the oven. Oh, look at that. And it's in its own nice juice. Look at that. Look at that. This is such a tasty dish. Now, you can take this, if you want a real thick gravy, you could take this juice here, which is absolutely delicious. It's a clear gravy like over top of your chicken. You can take it, put it in the skillet with a little more flour and oil and make a thicker gravy. But I like this. This one is nice and light, and it's light calorie too, lightweight. And it makes a wonderful meal. Ooh, I'm gonna get me a dish. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Fall off the bone. Get your little of this, plus your noodles. Put it over top. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You could also make this like chicken and dumplings too, or put some noodles in it, which I've done. And enjoy. Oh, did you want some? This is a one-pot meal. Simple. KIS. Now, tomorrow I've got another food pantry run. I'm going to deliver some food to someone, but I will show you what I get before I take it to them, okay? I'm going to leave a description down below how to make this, but it's fairly simple. You saw what I did, and it didn't take me 30 minutes to do it, you know? You can serve this with that veggie casserole I did. The veggie casserole could be the side or the main dish. It depends on how you want to do it. Now, what do I want you to do? Write to me, Uncle Chris, thefoodpantrychef.com, and I want you to like, I want you to comment, and I want you to subscribe. Oh, we're going to have a special show. When we hit 2,000 subscribers, we're going to have a nice special show. And Jay is going to be back. Oh, and don't forget, this weekend, I'm doing another market fair with Miss Brenda. So I'm going to have that special video up too. You're going to love it. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. And big love from Uncle Chris. Bye-bye. Time for dinner.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking?